Benjamin Erickson-Farr is a teacher, but not in the way you'd think. He's in the corporate world with a unique role at Gallup. Benjamin, tell us about that.
So my job is a teacher, but at Gallup we call our teachers learning and development consultants.
Fancy.
Yeah, it's a fancy title. And what we get to do is we get to go around teaching other clients, corporate clients typically, so other businesses, about how to create an engaging workplace, a fun workplace, a place that you would want to work. And we also teach people about their strengths, what makes people unique, and so helps people know themselves and really do what they do best every day.
Yeah, so translate that to like a high school student sitting in a classroom. How is that similar to what you're doing at Gallup?
Absolutely. So the way I think of it is, for example, if you have a favorite subject in school, you're maybe excited about the beginning of the year, but if maybe the teacher or your friends aren't in the classroom, you may not enjoy it that much, even if it's your favorite subject.
Yeah, I've been
so your
there.
favorite subject may translate to being history this year instead of math. So it's the same thing in the corporate world. Even if you're hired and you love the job, if you're not super enthusiastic about the workplace, the work environment, maybe you don't like it as much.
Sure. How'd you get here?
Well, I took a long path here, actually. I studied economics in school, and then after that, believe it or not, I went and taught English at an elementary school in Mexico.
Fun.
Yeah, so I have always known that I love to be a teacher. Even in high school, I loved to stand up and present when we had an assignment to present, or my friends needed extra help, I loved to tutor them. What I love about teaching is really having that light bulb come on for other people. So teaching is about helping people come to an understanding. And it's about understanding the subject yourself, and then thinking about what does that other person need to know? And then thinking about how can it help them be successful? How can it help their life be better, be more fulfilled, happier, apply it in their life? And at Gallup, we get to do that every day. So when I moved from teaching elementary kids, I realized I actually wanted to work more with adults in a business setting. So I worked in a bank for a while, then I went and got my MBA, my master's in business, and then when I saw the application online for Gallup for a learning development consultant, I said, that's it, that's my dream job, because I'll get to be teaching people about how to create a great workplace, and I'll get to be doing it with adults, and so that's how I ended up here.
And when I think about it being a teacher, I think about like the same place, same school, 7 a.m., 3:30, then you're doing grading, but your job isn't anything like that.
That's right. In fact, it's completely different. As a learning and development consultant, you travel all of the time. So 3-4 weeks out of the month, you're traveling. This month alone, our learning and development consultants on our team from the U.S. have traveled to the Netherlands, to India, California, New York City. So we travel all over the world and we teach classes. And another thing that's different is instead of having the same students over the course of a year, you have different students every week. So it's new and it's fresh and exciting every week.
That sounds like a perfect role. That's awesome. I'd love to try it. Is there something I can do today to help you guys out?
Absolutely. So we're teaching classes all over the world today. And today, though, I have a special opportunity for you to teach managers right here in Omaha.
Omaha. I love it. Let's do it.
All right, great. So what we have are some statements, and I'd like your help in identifying where it goes on the 12 questions. Andy, could you take over and do a few of these cards for us?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Great.
Oh, thank you. There are stickers on the back?
There are, so you just gotta peel the sticker off and stick it on there.
Right. So the next one is, my manager does not appreciate the work I do. My manager does not appreciate the work I do. So I'm actually gonna ask one of you guys to do this. In fact, bro, what's your name?
My name is Mark.
Mark, Andy. Nice to meet you.
Andy.
Would you mind come up here and tell me what you think about that? Great. Tell me more about that. Why did you choose that one?
Yep, I think appreciation ties a lot into encouragement. So anytime I'm outputting something that is going to be used or I want to be reinforced, I'd expect encouragement. So if there's a lack of appreciation, it's a lack of encouragement as well.
Yeah, that's a good point, because this person who said that did say appreciate and receiving recognition or praise is very good. But great work. Thanks so much, Mark. You can have a seat. Let's give him a hand, why not? Yeah. Benjamin, that was really fun. Thanks for letting me do it.
Andy, it was a pleasure to have you. You really did a good job. I'm impressed.
Yeah? All right, so what's the next step? Tokyo, Germany, you fly me overseas?
Maybe we better have you try a few more times here in Nebraska first.
Fair enough. Well, I appreciate you taking the time and helping us know that education is a bigger field than we maybe thought. After that, San Diego. We'll start, West Coast, back to East, New York. How about overseas? We'll hop over to